for you to understand, and if you would like to see what's going on here on our last seminar in this course. I will make a quick summary of those 10 minutes that I have spent chatting about the last seminar. So the next week you have to make the group 3, 4, or 5 persons. So at this seminar you will have to look at the website. There will be some amount of data, and you should convert them to the data set or the data frame. And this data frame will consist of the columns from this website. So part of data will be in different formats or something like this. So you will need to grab as much data as you can. So, and after that, we will define the best work and grade it as our leader with the highest grade, and all the rest we will just look about that about the grades for each particular columns or something like this. So the next idea is that you will have 1 hour and 20 minutes for creating the data set from the beginning to the end. So please be sure to define the groups till the next week, and be sure that you realize how you will communicate to each other. So we will have this meeting as usual, but we will not so I do not think that it's really a good idea to communicate here over groups. So please be sure that you understand how you will communicate to each other during the next seminar. So if you have any other question, I can answer, or we can go to the regular expressions. Okay, so regular expressions. Please be sure to realize sorry, how there works because of the importance of this library, and be sure that we will definitely paste some tasks for the next seminar. So it's very important. So please be sure that you realize how they work. So first of all, we can import the library. Last week we used this library. If you remember, we used the text of the tags. So this text we can find only by using the re.compile, and there we provide some just the static text. So right here we will have to use not only the static text, but some modification of this pattern, search pattern. The first task that we will discuss right here is we have the first book of War and Peace, and there listed the name of the main character, the Andrew, and we would like to know how many times this word will be inside the first book of this War and Peace on these pages. So first of all, there's nothing new. You have to get the text of the book. So here is just the library requests. We use the get, and we use the text of this web page. So if we will print it out, then we will have the text. So we can see this is the text of our book. So we can find something like the names or something like this. So it's the Russian text, but I hope that there is nothing. There's no problem to define that the names was is starting from the capital letter, and this is nothing about this text. So right here we can find all the words that is devoted to the name Andrew. So it's just the different words, different definitions. So it's Andrew, Andrews, or something like this. So it's just the same word, but in other circumstances. So if we will look and start this code, then we will have the result. This will be the list, and each element of this list is the particular place. So the particular usage of this the name. So this will be whether first or second or third or fourth and so on. So this will be one particular place where this name will be counted. So you can see that here we have the last word with this letter, here a different letter, and so on. So this is just the different endings of the same word. Okay, so we can find that each time when the library regular expressions will find any of these types of the word, it will place it into the list. So this will be one occurrences one after each other. So after that we can count the answer. So sorry, we can calculate the answer. So look how many times this word will be inside the first book of the War and Peace. So, but here we can find only these particular words. But what if we have a lot of definition of this word? So how to generalize the idea? Right here, as you can see, we have the first 5 letters, they are the same. So you have to see that they are the same. And what should we do? We should name which letters may be in the ending. So what should be in the end? So right here we can convert this search to the first 5 letters, and then we can define the endings. Like we must define the symbol class in which we have all the letters one by one. We just define them, what letters may be after the first 5 letters. And all these letters will be defined as the endings. So the symbol plus means that there must be one or more letters from this class. This class is in the square brackets. So if we start this if we start this, then we will have exactly the same idea. So we can find the idea that the first 5 and then some other letters. But as you can see, we cannot find the word, for example, with a lot more characters like the E letters. So if we use this search pattern, then we define only these form of the words. But if we use this one, we will count here the not only one symbol, but 2, 3, or 4, or 5. So if we start with this search pattern, how many results we will get, and which so what are these results? If I start this cell,
Only Andrei.
Any other ideas?
Andrei и Andrei.
So this is the more accurate result, because here we have the word Andrei, and if we can see here, then we can find this word exactly here and some other symbols here. So for regular expression, it doesn't matter that this is the word and this is not the word. So all the idea about the regular expression that you are analyzing some text. So it's not about the words or commas or something like this. It's all about some kind of symbols. So and they are going each after each. So this is the idea. And so here we have definitely two results. So the first one and the second one. And if we start, if we copy this search pattern and paste it here, what we will have? So this one is the same, okay. And what will be with this one? So the first 5 letters, it's okay, but where it will be finished? So what will be the last letter that will be in a result? So let's communicate. These 5 letters is okay. So this letter, is it belongs to this class?
Yes.
Okay. So what the plus sign means?
Any number?
Zero number, is it any number?
Plus is zero number?
No. You mean the plus is any number? Any
Like
number?
any number of letters in the brackets.
Okay, no, but not any, but one or more.
Oh, okay.
So one or more. If you have the asterisk, then okay. So if you have the asterisk, then okay. So okay, the E, we can see it here. We have the plus sign, so one or more. So this okay. This one will we have it in the result?
Yes.
Okay. So here is the plus sign. Okay. So this letter, is it in the class?
Yes.
Okay. So will it be in the result?
Yes.
So right here, you should define that we can have here, here is the class. So we define which letters or symbols may be here. And here is the definition of how many these characters may be in a result. So we need to find the solution which fits to this search pattern. Okay, so here, okay, we can realize what's going on here. Okay.
Why don't we have, for example, Andreye, Andreye?
Because here we will talk about this a little bit later, but there is such such a definition as greedy. So in Russian it means жадность. So the plus sign or each so each definition how many symbols you should take by default it's greedy, so it's жадный. So you take as much symbols as you can. So if you would like to take as not as much symbols as you like, but as little, so not so big amount, but the smallest amount as you can. You should place the sign, the question mark in the end, and then you will get the as small amount of text as it can fit. Is it okay?
Probably yes.
Okay, so we will spend a little more time, but later. So we have.
May I ask,
yes.
just to see that I understand? So in the previous example, where could you scroll it up?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, here we have 4 of Andrejem and 14 of Andreje. That means that they do not overlap. So these 4 are not included in this 14 because it's greedy and...
Yes.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
That's correct. So this result may be here or here. So it's not here and here. So no. Or
And what
here
is
or
the
here.
question sign for what reasons we use it?
This one.
Yes.
The question sign modifies how many symbols we will take. If we do not have the question mark, then we will take as much as we can. But if we place the question mark, we will take as less, so the smallest size of amount of the symbols. Okay.
So if there is a question, he takes only one letter from this list. And if there is no question, and if in text variable we will have, for example, Andreye, ya, you, yem, he will give us this result, right?
You mean this one, yeah?
Like
just
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
So it would like to take as much as he can without the question mark.
Okay.
Okay, so search pattern. We have the A, B, C, just the example some text. We would like to look for the ABC. So, what we will take from this, extract from this text. So, what will be the result?
Probably ABC and ABC1 BC. No?
No.
Or only ABC because it finds the first one?
You mean this one?
Yeah. No?
No.
Okay.
You can try once more. Okay, I would like to hear the ideas. So the ABC is exactly the same that ABC. Okay, we have the first one. So here we have the space. Is it okay for ABC?
No.
No. ABBC. Is it okay for ABC?
No.
No. Okay. The ABC1BC. Is it okay for ABC?
Yeah.
Is it okay with the whole world?
Only
Whole
part.
word or just the part? So we will have just the ABC from here. As you can remember, the symbols here for the regular expression is just the symbols. So you may have here the space or the one. It's rather the same for the search in terms of regular expression. So here we will have the ABC for this one and ABC for this part of the word. So, but it should be the ABC. If we will have the ACB here, what we will have?
Nothing.
That's correct. We do not have such words. So here the ACB, it's we do not have. Okay, but here we will have the symbol class. So we will take the ABC, but here in the square brackets. Then what we will have here if we apply this pattern to this search string?
Probably the first, second, and third.
Can you name them?
Okay, ABC.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I don't know if it's counted if we don't put plus after the brackets.
Yes, you definitely right. Here we will have, if we do not have the plus symbol, that means that we will have them splitted by one character, so by one symbol. So we have the ABC, it's like A, then B, then C. What's next? So don't be quiet.
Maybe ABC again.
A, B, then
B.
B. A, B, B, C. So we will have A, B, C, then A, B, B, C, then
A, B, C.
and then, yes, then
Then BC.
BC, yes, you're correct. So this is also the characters that match to this search pattern. So it doesn't matter that here we have some one or something like this. So is it okay for this search pattern? Yes, it's okay.
So
Okay.
here we're searching for the letters, right? Not for the some part.
Here, yes. Here, yes, letters, because we do not applied the plus symbol as you mentioned. But here we will take the plus symbol. Okay, so what will change? To one or more. So the condition, one or more. So here we can take the A. Is it one or more?
Is one.
Okay. Will it stop?
Maybe no. Maybe it will be like AB.
Okay.
As an ABC.
ABC. So this is it the first result?
I think I don't know how it works, but probably yes. I think yes.
Yes, it should stop here because the definition, the BAC, we have here. So ABC, BAC, it doesn't matter. But we have one symbol or more, and we speak about the greedy. So it's greedy, so it will take as much as he can. But after that, we will have the space, and the space is not in allowed symbols. So it's not B, not A, not C. So that's why the space will be extracted. So we will start here. So the A inside B and BAC. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, then B, is it okay?
Yes.
Yes. The next B?
Yes.
Yes. The next C?
Yes.
Okay, so the result will be ABC, then ABBC. Okay. And that will be not the separate letters, but ABBC, so it will be as one word. Okay. So right here we will have ABC, and then
One.
C1 maybe.
one. Is one allowed here?
No, no.
No, it's not allowed.
But
So
one only.
no. One here is the number of symbols, not the symbols, not the symbol itself.
Yeah, but the sign of plus, we should take only values that are in brackets or also from the whole list of the...
In brackets.
Oh, okay.
So,
And will it, for example, as far as it said, we took first ABC, and he as he greedy, he took this ABC and take all of the possible how to say it. For example, A, AB, ABC.
no.
No?
He will take the most the biggest one.
Точно.
So it will take the ABC, ABBC, ABC. Okay, so the first the letter one is not okay. It's not allowed here. So the BC, is it allowed?
Yes.
Yes. So that's why the result will be ABC, ABBC, ABC, and BC.
So we can use this function if we need to, for example, clear our string from some unneeded values.
Yes, you're correct. You may use it. Yes. This function usually took to extract some values. For example, the phone numbers from the text, or maybe the email address or something like this. So if you have just it in a text, but you need to extract some values. So yes, this one of the application of this library. Okay, so how can we define the class? So here we just put the letters one each after each, but we can use the shortcuts, the a minus z. It means the a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, i till z. So this is the shortcut for all letters. Please be sure.
Question.
Yeah.
About the previous task, can we add space in the brackets? What would be the result?
You mean here?
Yes.
Okay.
So he finds
Till the
one
first character that do not match.
Okay.
So here you can mention that we have BC then space. This is the space.
Thank you.
Okay. So we can define A minus Z means from A till Z. 0 till 9 means from 0 till 9. It's okay. So if you need to add the minus itself, you must place it in the first or in the last position inside the square brackets. So this is the only one, but all the rest symbols may be switched the positions and so on. So here ABC minus means that we can one of 4 symbols. So A, B, C, or the minus itself. So the dot is means that any symbol. So we can have the any symbol. It match to the dot. So we can not use it inside the square brackets, but just the dot itself. So we need to put the dot, then the symbol plus or asterisk or something like this to be sure that we have the quantification. This idea is that we can accept, we can switch on. The idea is that dot may be also the new line, so it may accept the new line here. So to the dot. The symbol, the hat, as it means that in the beginning of the class, it means that the negative meanings, so the all except this one, so the no A, B, or C, or something like this, like this. And the quantification, the plus symbol we have no, but we can also use the asterisks. It means 0 or more. So here is the difference, that we have the 0 not here. So the 0 it's not in the plus sign. So the question mark is defined that 1 or 0, so right here. And also you can use the exact match. So since n till m repetition, or exactly n repetition, or n and more, or m or less. So oh my God, I have the so no more than m repetition here. So okay, now let's try this knowledge. Okay, so we have the text 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will have these search pattern. What we will have in the result?
Maybe only 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can argue.
I guess it's only 1, 2, 3, 4 because it is exactly 4 repetitions.
Yes.
Okay, understood.
I agree. So we have only 4 digits. So if we have 1, 2, 3 and do not have 4, then sorry, it not fits. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will take only first 4 digits, and the last one will be thrown away. What will be if we will place the 6 and 7 here?
The result will be the same.
Yeah, result will be the same if we will place 8.
Should be the same.
Why?
Oh no, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's correct. So everybody agrees with this logic. So we will take 4 digits from 0 to 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will split this to the first result and this to the second one. So at this time, you do not need to have a space here or something like this. So for the regular expression, it doesn't matter. Do you have any characters here to split your idea or something like this? If I place 6 here, what will be the result?
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7.
Yes. So it goes from left to right, and where it stops, so that's okay. So you do not try to take all the combinations. So
Can you repeat the conditions where you put 8?
So the 8 here and 6 here. So we will take the 6, 5, 6, 7 here. So, and the 8 will be skipped. Okay. Okay. Right here, what we will take from this text?
One, two, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
6, 5, 6, 7.
Mm-hmm.
And stop.
And that's enough. You're right. So we will take the first 2, then first 3, then 4, 4, and 4 digits. So that's the idea. We will take as much as we can. So we do not have the sign greedy. If I'll place the question mark here, what I will get?
We should use question mark with sign of plus or without, or both can be accepted.
This question mark applies to the ungreedy version of these the quantification. So we have the quantifier. It doesn't matter is it the plus symbol or is it shown in the figure brackets? So it doesn't matter. So the question mark applies to this part of the pattern.
Maybe it will. I have two suggestions, or it will just only the question will work, and we will have only like one digit, or it
Why
will
one digit?
like because 1 or 0. The question is.
No. Is it allowed 1 or 0? How many digits allowed?
Maybe firstly we will take these patterns that we have already, but then from this pattern we will take only values from 0 to 1, maybe. No 0, 1 repetitions.
No, not the 0, 1. 2, then comma 4 means that we can take 2, 3, or 4 digits. So 2, 3, or 4 digits. So by default, we will take as much digits as we can. So the 2, 3, or 4. But if we have the question mark, we will take as less digits as we can. So we will try to take 2 of them. Okay, so knowing that, do you have the guesses what we will have?
1, 2.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4. Separated. 1, 2, separated, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, and stuff.
Yes. So it will take as less as he can. And here we will have the idea that we will take the all symbols. Okay.
But also we can just write number 2 in the brackets and we will obtain the similar results.
You mean this?
Without question mark.
It doesn't matter, with or without. Okay.
So the similar one output.
Yeah. In this.
Can you explain it one more time with the question mark?
With the question mark.
Yes.
Okay. So we have the character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 8, and it should be repeated from 2 to 4 times. So 2, 3, or 4 times. So it must be repeated. If we do not have the question mark, then it will try to take as much as he can. So in this question, he will take the 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, but not more. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 5, 6, 7. So only 4 digits. So if you ask him to switch on the ungreedy behavior of this quantifier, then you ask him to take as less characters as he can to satisfy this idea. So he will take 1, 2, and that's okay, we can stop. Then 1, 2, yes, that's okay, it fits, we will stop. Then 1, 2, it's okay, we can stop. Then he will try to take 1, 2 once again. So not 1, 2, but 3, 4, so 2 digits here. It's okay, it will stop. And then 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 6, 5, then 6, 7. So
yes, okay, I got it. Thank you.
But what will be if I place the comma here?
Maybe it's the same as if we don't put the question and the comma, because it's like.
So please name me the result.
Like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 6, 5, 6, 7. No.
No. First of all, where is the comma?
After the last digit that we can obtain.
So it must be here. So
yes.
1, 2, then comma. 1, 2, 3, then comma. 1, 2, 3, 4, then comma.
So our output will be 1, 2, comma, and 3, 4, comma.
And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, comma.
Yes, 2, 3, comma.
So will be 3 results. So 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, comma. So is it okay for you about this logic?
Yes, I just thought that it's like in the quantifier, the like in brackets. If we put it under the question, it will work like or more. That's why I said that. But now I understand.
Sorry, I do not. They do not can hear you. Okay, so can you repeat your idea?
I said that I just thought that it's like the part of our the same as the question. So it's like defines how many digits do we have. But now I realize that
No.
this is the what we want to find. Got
Yes,
it.
this is the part of the answer. So this is the part of the answer. So no. But what will be if I would like to, for example, do like this? So what I will get? Does this question mark related to this quantifier or to this question in a text?
To the quantifier.
Yes, that's correct. So if I'll start, that's a greedy version of this quantifier. If I would like to take the question mark once again, how can I start this? I can use the right here. I should place it in some square, not the square, but I should have the, sorry, I should start it once again. So like this. If you would like to have not the question mark as a part of the quantifier, you have to take the backslash. So it's you need to modify the text. All the rest will be, the idea is that the part of the text.
And
Okay.
the same goes for other plus and asterisks.
Yes, I think yes.
Okay.
So we can try, but the idea is rather the same. So you need to, if you would like to place the plus symbol, then you should place it here. Oh no, for the plus symbol. I'm sorry. That's okay. I do not start this. Yeah, that's okay. So you should to have the backslash. Yes. Okay. So it's not interesting. I think that we talked about this previously. So the greediness, I think that we have discussed about the question mark and so on. I would like to maybe ask you a question. The maybe here what we will take here. I will change the letters in order to so A B C D E B C D E. So for that example should contain the English letters. That's okay. A till Z. So what I will have here.
So the first will be ABC. The first would be ABC. Then maybe again ABC.
No, I think A, B, C, D, E.
Yes, there's so from 3 and more. Okay.
Yes. So the first one will be the A B C D R, then A B C D E, then A B C D G, then A D V G C. So as much as he can. So this is the result. Okay. So the question mark from A to Z.
Well, here we will have what Alena said about
Yeah,
ABC, 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 and ADV.
AD, yeah, that's okay. And if we will start here, A till Z, what we will, no, this one I will skip. Yes. Like this. Okay, so like this. What we will have?
Maybe A, B, C, D, E, and comma. Then A, D, V, G, C, and dot.
That's okay. Is it clear for everybody?
Have we some options like A till Z with symbols? If we, for instance, put dash between some symbols.
You can no dash between symbols, no. You should place it here, so just one each.
And when we want to find plus within the string, we should put sloped dash.
I think that if you put it right here, it will work. So we can try. We can try. Should be. Yes, you should also. So okay. If I would like to take this one and then this one, what should I change here in the search pattern?
We should add the space, like the dash S.
What kind of the space?
Like the. Can I write in the chat?
Should delete.
You mean here? The space? Okay, we will try to do this. We will try to do this. Okay.
We should define only dot and comma without dash in the right brackets.
Here,
Yes.
only dot and comma.
Ah, okay. And we should delete plus.
This one?
Yeah. And also we can delete space.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. So I need to take this one and this
we
one.
need to add the this как это называется, тире в список, потому что он, да.
That's correct.
And also, if we want to find a dash, we should put double dash.
No. We should place the dash in the first.
No, slope dash, I mean. Like separator.
You mean this one?
Yes.
No, you do not need to do this.
And with comma, we also may not use this slope dash.
Here?
Yes. No, before the comma, I mean.
Before, you mean here?
Yes.
No, you do not need to do this.
Okay.
Because if we take just the dot, it means that
all symbols.
It's also all symbols. So if we have, for example, these pattern, what we will have?
Maybe only one dot. Maybe only one dot.
No.
The whole string.
The whole string. The whole string we will have. So actually, I do not know exactly why we will have one additional parameter here. I do not know why he would like to do this, but we should have only just one idea. So here we shouldn't have. It's very strange. Okay, so just the dot and asterisk, we will take the any symbol repeated from 0 to any kind of times. So I think that he will take just the whole string and then the last nothing. I do not know why he takes this, but okay. So maybe if we'll take the plus symbol, yeah, we will take the first only the whole string. Okay, so
and if we put dot in brackets, the output will be similar.
Each dot.
That's my result.
Will be just the dot.
But why we don't use slash?
So here is in some programming language it has the different meanings. So if you use the backslash, it doesn't matter. So you may take this one. But in square brackets, the dot means dot. So it's just the original dot. If you do not use the class, so the dot means anything except the new line. So, okay, we have 5 minutes, but we need to talk about the groups. If we have to speak about the groups, we can define from A to Z. So we can define how can we take some parts of the result. So if we have here the A, B, C, D, E, then the comma. We can take the here the round brackets and here the round brackets. So here we will have the dot and comma, and it will be placed in another element, and here these will be placed to the another element. So it will be distinguished to the separate elements. And if you do not need to take some part of the groups, but it should be found, you may place the as it shown here. You can place the question and the double dot, so you will have the A till Z. Then what you will have? You will have the first one, and the second group will be skipped. So if we'll start this one, we will take only these values. So this group you will capture but ignore, and you will throw away the result. So this is also the valuable idea. So for you to look, we will have the HSE page. So with the persons. So here we have discussed this page last week, and here you will have the other version of how to take the elements from this page. So you can have the regular expression find. So you will search for a part of the text. So you will have the this constant text, then these constant text, and between them will be the part. So the what does it mean?
Any text as small as possible, maybe?
Yes. So the any text as small as possible. And
But we can use it without question mark, no?
No, because the if you can see, we have these for start. Then we will take this part. So this part from the line number 34 till 71. And if we will not use the question mark, then it will continue there. So this will be the greedy it will be the greedy search. So the question mark means stop when you can. So if you can see, we can find that we can take a lot of persons here. So this is the list. So we can see that we have as many persons as we discussed last week. So this is the list of persons. Okay. So the persons 0 means that we have the text for each person. So you can find the text inside. So you can find all the data that you need from this text. So this is the example in your handout of how to get the data from this text. So here we take just one person and try to extract the different parts of the data. So here you can find the name of the person, its phone, and its email. So here we will find the phones as the re.findAll. So we will take this search. So the phones will be founded in a similar idea. So the name is located inside the class and then title. So you can find it. So the emails you can take. So this is the example for you of how to extract the data from the data. So from the text. So for you for this week we prepared the website, but we do not have the time to have it. So that's why I would like to ask you to take it to home and try to extract the data. And if you will have any question, try to ask us to help you how to do with all this stuff. So please try to do it by yourself and define the problems, how to extract the text from the actual websites. So please have some part of practice. It will help you to get a high grade on the last seminar. So if you have any question, I can answer them. No? Okay, so see you next week on graded classwork.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, so
Thank you.
see you next
So
week.
next week we just come here in the MS Teams and simultaneously working with our team.
Yeah. Yes. So we will be in MS Teams. We will just say you that you have 20 minutes or 5 minutes till the deadline and so on. So actually you do not have any reasons to be here. So we will be here, but you it's just as you want.
And will we have some instructions for the class?
I think that you will have very short instructions inside the notebook. So no any other.
In your website or?
Yeah. So yes, at SSS you will have just the.
And
just,
we will upload the file from the whole group or each person?
yes. No. One from each group.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay. So see you next
Thank
week.
you. Goodbye.
Okay.
See you. Goodbye.